All right, question 20 on the homework looks like this. Let me blow it up so it's a little bit easy. Oh, it's not going to let me blow it up. Make it larger. All right. So it says copy each expression below and then circle the terms and simplify. So this is kind of like what we did in class on Thursday. So we talk about these things called terms. Terms are kind of the different parts of the expression, and they're always separated by a plus or minus sign. So here's my plus sign. So that means that this is a term and this is a term. Notice how it breaks it up into two pieces. And then what they want you to do is find the value of each term. So the value of this term, and sorry I don't have clean paper, but you'd be doing this on notebook paper. You're going to write this down, circle the terms. So the value of this circle, the value of this term is a -8 plus the value of this term is now 2 times -5, which would be -5 and another -5, so that gives me -10. So notice all I did is I took the value of this term, I took the value of this term, and then I'm going to put them together. And then -8 plus -10 equals a -18. All right, so we got to understand what these terms are. So let's erase this, and then we'll go over here. All right, now on this one for part B, I know this is a plus sign, but I want you to notice how this plus sign here breaks this up into two pieces. This is one of our terms. Even though that's a plus sign, notice how all of this is put together. All of this is really one big term because it's 3 times a parentheses. So this is one of the terms, and this is my other term. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the value of this term. So we always do what's in parentheses first. So I'm going to do 7.5 plus 2, which would be 9.5. And then I need to multiply that by a 3. Let's see, 3 times 9.5, I believe is going to be 15, 27, and 1 is 28 with 1 decimal place. So this part is 28.5 plus, now we have this term, which is 4.6. And then I line up my decimals and then finish this problem out. But I want you to notice, even though there's a plus sign here, it's really two terms. This, because all of this is together, it's 3 times the parentheses. When I come over here to this one, this is really just one big term because notice, it's 4.5 times that parentheses. So this is just one big group. So do your order of operations. Do what's in the parentheses first, then multiply that by 4.5. Or, yeah, 4.5. So I might even turn that into 4.5 if I want to multiply decimals. Or whenever you get this answer in here, you could turn this into a fraction, and then we're multiplying fractions. So hopefully that helps with question 20.